Back in Vienna for conference for Atlassian. Starts tonight.
Hey, mein Herr, das wird Ihnen nichts nützen, das. Der Aufenthalt meines Mündels. Mit einem Wort. Freilich, freilich.
Welcome to the Opera House in Vienna. They're live streaming tonight's performance out front here. Well, 18 years and probably 2 weeks later, I've kind of come full circle. It's been a long project in 2001 working in Vienna, and one of my favorite places when I was working on the project in the evenings was to come sit outside the Opera House, which you can hear the opera going on. There's a live one going on tonight, and sit at the cafe now. It's been upgraded considerably at the Hotel Sakak. It's gotten some significant updates. A little bit more modern, but it was an awesome place to come have coffee and enjoy Sakar Tort, which some of these people are enjoying here. Yep, right there. There you go.